Are you learning anything yet? I hope you are. Now I still have the light switch off. And see, these are on a little bracket. If this is facing up too high, you can kind of pull it back down or something. Oh, this is kind of an older bulb, but you know, it seems to be going in there kind of cockeyed. Okay, so you play with it a little bit. See, I got it in there a lot further, and it's actually touching. I'm not really liking that. I'm gonna try to bend this off, and now it's better. Okay, that is just to keep the back, to reflect down and to keep it, the heat from collecting too much, and that's probably a good reason why to use CFL lights up here or LEDs. Now let's make sure that light works. I have not tried this before. 3, 2, 1, on it is. All right, turn it back off. Let's put that glass up there now, shall we? We're almost done. Now see, I only put one bulb in there. And here's something else too. Depending, maybe you don't want 2 bulbs up in there. Maybe you only want 1. Or you could put 2 bulbs, 240s up there instead of 260s to get it dimmer. Or put your CFLs in there, or whatever. In this case, I'm going to just put the 1 bulb, and if she wants another one, she's going to have to go down to the store and get another matching bulb. She liked pink. There was pink up there from before. It gives a different type of light. Yeah, you can get pink light bulbs apparently. That's an incandescent bulb. But if this happens to be enough light, because this room is just a small little office area, maybe she doesn't want any more light than that. We'll just use 1 bulb up there and save the additional power, because 2 60-watt bulbs up there, that's 120 watts for a regular incandescent at any one time. So it's going to be a little bit more expensive for you to run. And also you can get, you know, you can get 60 comparable 60 incandescent light bulbs. I've seen them as low as 52 watts, 52 and 53 watts. If you really like incandescent, you can do it that way. Or you can change those to LEDs or CFLs. You make the choice. Okay, I guess we're ready for the glass. Let's put the glass up there. Just be careful with this. Get your grubby fingers off of it. I gotta hold my mouth just right to get this piece of trim at the bottom. Last thing you want to do now is to break it and drop it. Okay. I take my cap, my threaded cap, hold that on there, and I just want to make this snug. I don't want to make it too tight, because I could crack the glass or something, you know. Take a look at this and see about where it should be mounted. See, it wasn't even, I didn't even have it in the groove properly. Okay, right there. Now I can make it snug. Don't overdo it, just as long as it's snug. And the reveal should be about the same around there. That all looks pretty good. Let's turn it on. Okay. Bingo. Now see, that's a lot of light. This room is just small, and I put a cover over this because I didn't want all the cottage cheese ceiling coming down if possible. So see, it's not a very big room, so 1 bulb is probably enough. And if you have a choice, put the bulb out towards the front where the entrance is. And that's what I ended up doing. And see, I think that's looking good. I've already got the okay from the owner that she likes that look with just the 1 bulb. And away we go. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.